Christmas is you.
Mine versus his. I think it's almost afternoon now, but that's okay. My hair's wet, I just showered, just scrubbed the bathroom, and I just have like 5 minutes or less to intro this vlog because the construction has been going since 7 a.m.
Yeah.
And it's so loud. So the way I'm feeling right now is that like a little bit out of control, especially because my apartment is a mess since we went on this cruise, because to pull out everything we needed, I thought we were going to Paris and we ended up going on a cruise, so I just was like digging through everything. We did laundry right before, I didn't put it away yet. Everything is a mess, so I just want to deep clean the entire apartment so that I feel like I have order over my life again, and also my car, because it is a mess inside and outside. And I've already started with the bathroom, but honestly, I'm probably not even going to really show you that because I feel like no matter what I do in this apartment, the bathroom never feels clean. But that's probably because I live with 2 guys. So
it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. The season of peace is finally here. When family and friends and neighbors come to call, bringing love and Christmas.
for some reason, my husband just leaves all his stuff in the living room.
It's because I'm sick. It's because I'm sick.
As he leaves his shoes there as well.
It's because I'm sick.
All these bags we are getting rid of today. These bags have been sitting in the living room since I have moved in. They are not from me moving in, they are from before I moved in.
It's because I was
They need
sick.
to go to Goodwill. Like, we're getting rid of them today. This stuff over here is from when we went on our trip to South Carolina. We had to empty out our car. It's our beach bag, our clean towels that we keep in the car for beach days, the back privacy thing for our car. All of this needs to go back to the car. Skateboards, 3 skateboards. We don't have a garage. They need to be in our car.
I'm not exactly a Christmas cracker. I'm more of a seasonal slacker.
The status of our room right now. Everything else is getting clean though.
I come off like a less green Grinch, and I won't bite my tongue, I won't budge on it.
The floor is actually clear. Okay, you have to ignore this. I can't do everything. I've cleared the tables, both desks. I've cleared the bed. I've cleared the floor. I've unpacked all of our luggage. Rose helped a little bit. The closet is not atrocious. It's not like the best ever, but there's not like piles of clothes. The top is our undergarments and pajamas, so that's why it's a little rough there. But for the most part, things are in their home. Okay, this one needs work, but that's why I haven't done that yet. But yeah, it's not too bad in there. That being said, I am slightly exhausted, but we're in a good place. We can actually work now. We can function. I found what I was missing, because I was missing my little dongle. Is that what it's called? In order to plug a flash drive into my laptop. Which I need in order to put the next vlog out, because I have it done, but I have to move it from my old Mac to my new Mac, because Rose has a PC, so when he edits, he uses my old Mac. And yes, he has been helping me edit because I'm very behind. But not anymore. We're catching up. We're good. All the vlogs are on time by the time you're seeing this vlog, I'm sure. But yeah, this is what the status of the house looks like. Clean. We're gonna bring these with us when we go out. And we're gonna put this stuff in the car when we go. And yeah, we're good. We just added this little ornament to our tree. It's kind of huge for the tree, but that's okay. The problem with like not putting away all the clothes that's on this chair is now I have to kneel on the ground to sit at my desk. So this may be problematic.
Get this stuff out of my house.
I'm sick. You're making me do all this work.
Got time for Christmas, all your family. Who's got room for carols?
Can I get a large vanilla milkshake?
Okay.
And a fish fillet sandwich?
Okay.
And a medium caramel frappe with no whipped cream.
Is that it?
That's it. Thank you.
Drink or be merry. Ain't got time for Christmas.
Of course we had to park for the one thing that I shouldn't have even ordered. My frappe, but that's alright. So I'm gonna enjoy my fish sandwich while I wait. And yes, this is what I order from McDonald's, the worst thing ever. And I love when it's covered in tartar sauce.
I never ate tartar sauce before.
I just now realized it has tartar sauce on it. I always thought it was just mayo. So we thought we were being good by leaving like at 6:30, which is generally the tail end of rush hour. We have been in dead stop traffic the entire way here. Ooh, someone's coming in.
It's gonna be a long drive, people.
Have you got time for me?
Rose wants me to jump in the pool. No.
I gotta break this fever.
He doesn't have a fever for one. For two, last time you were here we did a cold water plunge. I got my hair wet. Didn't wash it after to like warm it up and stuff, and I ended up being sick. So for multiple days I feel like I'm just now getting over it, and Rose probably has what I had before. So no. But we'll watch him jump in if he decides to, so I'll keep you updated. So I'm sitting here editing. Rose is over there, clearly not jumping in the pool, which is probably for the best. And I'm just watching a Netflix Christmas movie, as always. I'm gonna call it a night. It's currently 10:30. Honestly, I'm editing and uploading vlogs right now, trying to get myself out of the debt I have put myself in from the cruise. I think I should be all caught up by the morning, which would be amazing. I underestimate how long it takes me to upload a vlog, export and upload. But yeah, that being said, we're deciding it's all good. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I feel like this was probably a very short and probably very boring vlog, so if you stuck it out, I appreciate you. And I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.